This kills sugar in your body. It will disappear in just 3 days and you will lose weight. Well, I really think that we all know that the main cause for excess weight is sugar than the fats and carbohydrates. Do you agree? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and unfortunately sometimes we are not even aware how much sugar we've consumed throughout the day. The most common side effects of consuming too much sugar: excessive weight, fatigue, mood swings, disorientation, insomnia. Sugar-sweetened beverages such as sodas, energy drinks and sports drinks are by far the biggest sources of added sugar in the average American's diet. They account for more than 1/3 of the added sugar we consume as a nation. Other important sources include cookies, cakes, pastries and similar treats, fruit drinks, ice cream, frozen yogurt and the like, candy and ready-to-eat cereals. And you should also know that the experts say that long-term intake of sugar increases the risk of serious illness, such as diabetes, cardiovascular as well as breast cancer. When we consume sugar, the body uses it as an energy source. Can I ask you a simple question? Can you quit sugar? We were told that we should, but it is very hard to do. This is because when our taste buds detect sugar, fructose, sucrose, maltose, glucose etc. on our tongue, the so-called sweet signal is processed by our brain's reward system, the same reward system activated by sex, drugs and alcohol. Sugar is one of the few foods that activates the brain's reward system and is one of the reasons we get hooked and find it so hard to give up. But you shouldn't be worried, because in this video we're going to show you a 3-day sugar detox plan, which will help you ditch the sugar. This diet plan is very simple, you just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. 1 day. Breakfast: 1 cup of oatmeal with seeds, almonds or berries or scrambled eggs, 3 eggs. Snack: 1 cup of walnuts. Lunch: boiled chicken breast and 1 serving of pumpkin seeds, almonds or lightly cooked beans. Dinner: mushroom and baked fish or salmon with broccoli and mushrooms. 2 day. Breakfast: 1 cup of oatmeal with seeds, almonds or berries or scrambled eggs, 3 eggs. Snack: 1 cup of hazelnut. Lunch: zucchini with pepper sauce and lemon. Dinner: beans, cooked vegetables or baked cod and toast. 3 day. Breakfast: 1 cup of oatmeal with seeds, almonds or berries or scrambled eggs, 3 eggs. Snack: 1 cup of hazelnut. Lunch: roasted chicken breast with lemon dressing or chicken baked in the oven with black olives, thyme and onions. Dinner: soup with onions or pasta with basil, mushrooms and tomato sauce. You can also add meat. Drinks: well, you should drink water, tea or 1 cup of coffee a day without any sugar. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.
Yeah.